Miles, you throw it up where the defense cannot out-jump Miles to get it. And you throw it where only he can.
LaMelo missed the layup. Got stripped on the way back up. This is a 5-on-4 for Houston. McLemore.
Man.
12-point first half for LaMelo. McLemore. To his younger brother, hey, you may want to experience that too. McLemore. Good golly, he's allowed to shoot whenever he wants. Gordon 6 for 6 at the line. Baseball pass for Cousins. Wow, it's a nice one. And they score a basket. McLemore the layup.